Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy XRP, also known as Ripple, and store it safely in your Phantom Wallet app. If you're new to crypto, or just looking for a step-by-step guide, stick around because I'll make this super simple for you. So let's get started. The first step is to choose a crypto exchange that supports XRP trading. Some of the most popular and trusted options are Binance, Kraken, Bitstamp, and Coinbase. Just pick the one that's available in your country and that you feel comfortable using. Once you've chosen your exchange, go ahead and create an account. You'll need to provide some basic personal details and complete the verification process, which usually means uploading an ID and maybe a proof of address. This is standard for most exchanges, so don't worry, it's quick and necessary for security. Now, after your account is set up, you have two options. You can either deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, or euros using your bank card, a bank transfer, or other payment methods available. Or, if the exchange supports it, you can even buy XRP directly with your card, or swap it from another cryptocurrency you already own, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once your purchase is complete, you'll see your XRP in your exchange wallet. But here's the important part. You don't want to keep your XRP sitting on the exchange for too long. For better security, it's always a good idea to move it to your own wallet. This is where the Phantom Wallet app comes in. Make sure you've downloaded and set up your Phantom Wallet, then copy your XRP wallet address from the app. Go back to your exchange, find the option to withdraw XRP, paste in your wallet address, and confirm the transfer. After a few minutes, your XRP should appear safely inside your Phantom Wallet. Don't forget to secure your wallet by saving your recovery phrase in a safe place and enabling extra protection like a strong password or two-factor authentication. And that's it. You've successfully bought XRP and stored it safely in your Phantom Wallet app. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more easy crypto guides, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Do you want me to also reformat all your other crypto tutorials like